Zanzibar, a jewel in the Indian Ocean, is a place where history, culture, and natural beauty blend into an unforgettable experience. This enchanting island off the coast of Tanzania is famed for its pristine, white sand beaches, where the turquoise waters stretch endlessly under the African sun. Whether you're lounging on the soft sands of Nungwi, exploring the coral reefs of Kendwa, or watching the sunset from Paje, Zanzibar's coastline offers a tropical paradise that feels almost untouched. Beyond the beaches, Zanzibar is also known as the Spice Island, a name earned from centuries of cultivating cloves, nutmeg, cinnamon, and black pepper. A spice tour through the lush plantations takes you deep into the island's agricultural heart, where you'll not only see but smell and taste the rich heritage that has shaped its economy and identity. And then there's Stone Town, the historical and cultural soul of Zanzibar. Walking through its narrow alleys, past ornate wooden doors and ancient mosques, you'll discover the echoes of Arab, Persian, Indian, and European influences that mark this UNESCO World Heritage Site. From the haunting stories of the old slave market to the grand architecture of the Sultan's Palace, every corner of Stone Town tells a story of triumph, trade, and transformation. Zanzibar is more than a destination. It's a sensory journey through time and nature, where every moment leaves a lasting memory. If you enjoyed this journey through Zanzibar, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel stories from around the world.